tighten up, slip knot ready, and now chains. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, I have here total 26 chain, and to start very first row I will add one chain. Now I have here total 26, and then skip very first one. First chain skip, on the second one insert your hook, pull the yarn, and then yarn over, pull through. Then next stitch, next chain, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull through. Then next stitch, then next stitch, so each chain we will make only single crochet in this first row. Complete this line with the single crochet, and I will meet you over here. Okay, so my first line complete with the single crochet. Now turn your work to, for the second line I will add 4 chain. Make 4 chain, 1 2 3 4 chain, and I will count this as one triple crochet, so this we will count as one stitch. Then yarn over twice yarn over on your hook, and then here in the first stitch already we have this stitch, and then if you see, this is the second stitch, second chain. If you see, this is second chain, so I'm going to skip this one, skip second chain, second stitch, and this is our third stitch. So first, second, here first we have this 3 chains, so we will count as one stitch, skip the second one, and the third one here, insert your hook, pull the yarn, then yarn over, pull through 2, then yarn over, pull through 2, then yarn over again, pull through 2, and again yarn over twice in your hook. Next stitch, next, then pull through 2, then pull through 2. Here now we have 2, again yarn over twice, next stitch. Okay, so we have here 3 triple crochets, and now we will work in the skipped one. We have here skip stitch, so yarn over only once now on your hook, and your hook has to be from front side like this, not from behind, just from front. So yarn over once and insert your hook from front, the skip one. Very careful, you just have to grab this both loop, so insert your hook and then from behind like this. So now pull the yarn, so you have to little bit pull more so that your yarn will be bigger size than the same triple crochet, so you have to pull a little bit more like this. And from behind we have as well yarn, and this yarn as well. And now yarn over, pull through 2 loops, then yarn over again, pull through 2 loops. So we have here this, and back side as well we have this loop. Okay, next yarn over twice again, and we have here already, so this next stitch we will skip the next one. Then here yarn over, pull through 2, then yarn over, pull through 2, then yarn over, pull through 2. Again next stitch, yarn over twice, okay, then again twice. So we are making 3 triple crochets, then yarn over only once and go back to the skipped stitch, pull the yarn, and you have to pull this little bit more so you get the same size here. Now yarn over, pull through 2 loops, then pull through 2 loops. We have here 2. Now yarn over again twice, skip this next stitch, skip this one on the next here, make triple crochet. Okay, then next 3 stitches we will make triple crochet. Okay, now yarn over once, go back to your skipped stitch and then pull through. So make sure you just pull a little bit more so you will get same size. Then pull through 2 loops, then pull through 2 loops. Here we have right now a work like this, and if you see your opposite back side, like same, I think, yeah, both sides it's same, so you can use any side. Again same, twice, skip one on the next here, pull through 2, pull through 2, then twice, then go back to the skipped one, and then pull through 2, pull through 2. Okay, now next yarn over twice, skip one, okay, I'm almost end. Now I have last, so yarn over twice, skip one on the last next stitch, I have last stitch over here left. First we will make this one, done, and then yarn over twice and make last stitch over here. Okay, so this is straight now, and here in the starting as well we have 4 chain to make straight both side. And now we are here, our second line done. It's very beautiful stitch. You can use some border if you're making blanket and all, or you can make full design as well. Okay, so now second line complete. Third row, for the third row we will make single crochet exactly how we did our first row. So 1 chain, we will not count any stitch, anything. Very first stitch, make here single crochet, so next stitch single crochet. So in this row we will make just single crochets, each and every chains, don't skip any chain. It has to be total 26 stitches. Make sure you can count. Okay, so complete this line and I will meet you end of the row, then we will start third row. I'm almost finished my third row, and if you see we have here 4 chain. To make straight line over here, just last stitch here, grab the last stitch, fourth one, insert your hook and just make single crochet. So it has to be straight both side. Okay, so 3 line complete. Now turn your work for 4th line. Now we will repeat. Actually, this is just 2 line repeat design. We will do our second row. For this, make 4 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then yarn over twice on your hook and skip very next stitch. Skip this one on the 3rd. Make here yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, then yarn over twice again. Next stitch over here, pull through 2, pull through 2, look this, then yarn again. Okay, so we have here now 3 triple crochets and then yarn over once and go back to your very first skipped one here, and then so just make sure when you grabbing this taking this yarn, so you have to careful that time. That's it. 2 time yarn over, skip 1 stitch over here, next one here, and then yarn over twice, next stitch, then yarn over twice, next stitch, then yarn over once only. Okay, and make sure here, then again skip 1 stitch, next stitch, then yarn over twice again, then again yarn over twice. We are making triple crochet, then go back to your skipped stitch. Here we have something like this. So keep going on this line complete and then single crochet. So just keep repeating. I will meet you over here, then I will show you once again one single crochet line, then you guys can keep going on. Okay, I'm almost end of my row. So yarn over twice, and last I have here 1 stitch left. If you see, this is the single crochet, so we will grab this very carefully and make here triple crochet last. Okay, now complete and then turn your work. So 1 2 3 4, so 5th row, 1 chain and then very first stitch, 1 chain. We will not count this any stitch. Very first chain, 1 single crochet, then next stitch, single crochet, then next stitch. So each and every stitches you have to grab and make single crochet. Don't skip any chain. Just like this. That's it. Here we have here our design like this right now. So keep going on, just repeat this. This is 2 line repeat design. Make first single crochet line, then this stitch triple crochet line, then again same repeat first row with the single crochet, then again second row. So keep going on as long as you want to make your blanket or dress or anything, or you can use this stitch with anything. And I'm going to make some more line and then I'll show you.